Okay, this is for
Sorry,
Kukay.
sorry.
Go ahead,
I
Lilith.
think because we have to give comedy its shot. Kasi bihira na rin ang all-out comedy. So, gusto namin, yung tatawa ka lang ng tatawa. Kaya dapat sa sine nyo panoorin. Kasi malungkot tumawa mag-isa sa bahay.
Yes.
Hindi, saka masarap manood ng may kahampasan.
Oo,
diba?
talaga.
Yes,
Kasi di mo
ganun
kakilala.
siya.
Ay, sorry, diba?
Huwag naman yun.
Sampal ka pa ulit.
Lahat ng shows ko live. Tapos sobrang saya kapag puno yung room, di ba?
Right.
Yeah.
May energy na nagpapalit-palitan.
Right. Uy, thanks for your schedule, ha?
Kayo nga pala.
Thank you.
May hard exit pala ako. Ngayon.
Nang gantong oras.
Kapag pag-stop at...
hard stop na ako.
I love
5 star
Red.
to sa Goldwyn. Naku, ang daming manonood.
Oo
dito.
nga.
Pag 5 star sa Goldwyn.
Okay, for Kukay again. Kukay, it's from Amiel of Capex. How does I Am Not Big Bird differ from previous Black Sheep films? Ito na nga yun.
Wow.
And will they be offering more risque and thought-provoking concepts?
Well,
Moving forward.
I'd like to share the credit with Anima, no? Kasi I'm also grateful na shinare nila sa amin yung material. Pero unang-unang pelikula po namin talaga na tungkol sa bird. So,
Yes.
ibang-iba na po talaga siya. That in itself, I think this is the first time that we've done an irreverent comedy like this. And yes, of course, as I mentioned earlier, we want to offer talaga variety to the audience. So we're gonna be making more, just much like Anima talaga, magpupush pa tayo ng boundaries. Because, again, as I've said, ang open-open at ang sarap-sarap magpapanood ng mga pelikula sa audience ngayon. So kami as filmmakers, meron kaming, mas na-inspire kami na mag-offer sa kanila ng variety. So, pero iba talaga yung Big Bird.
Saka, marami kasing may gustong gawin to. At that first sight lang, the story, gusto nila. Kaya lang, aside from Black Sheep, nag-merge with Anima, hindi siya talaga mangyayari kung hindi umuo si Ken. Kasi
Yes.
the ball just started rolling when Ken immersed with immerse.
Ah, totoo.
Oh, doon siya tumakbo bigla.
As in parang shoot na.
Yeah.
Shoot na next week. Ganun.
Kasi Anima and Black Sheep we co-production and you'd be surprised because Ken also is a producer of the film.
That's
Yeah,
right.
immerse. Thank
So
you.
talagang we were
First.
very grateful na he wanted to be in it and he also wanted to be a part of the film production as well.
So nung wala pa si Ken, blank face.
Hindi nangyayari. Pero gusto nila, nag-aantay lang ng impetus.
Yeah.
Tapos ang maganda nung tinanggap na ni Ken, sabi niya, i-push nyo pa. Medyo gago na yung script, pero sabi niya, i-push nyo pa, let's give it all.
Parang, paano pa push? Ganun pa na.
Tsaka, alam mo kasi, MJ, hindi naman to first film ni Enrique with Black Sheep, with us. But I think kung ano yung pareho naman din, I think si Ken talaga, binibigyan niya parate yung commitment niya. And it's not just Ken, it's the cast talaga. Grabe yung commitment nung cast dito sa pelikula. And I think that's one of the things that pinaka nagmamatter, di ba, when we make something, na hindi lang dahil, wala, rarakitin ko to at kailangan ko ng pera, di ba? As in, iba talaga yung commitment nila doon sa pelikula. And I think yun yung mas nakaka-inspire for us. And that's why we're so proud talaga of this film, both Immerse, Black Sheep, and Anima.
Kanina when you were asking if when we were developing it's a blank face, yes, it was. And then, but
It was, right?
But we knew who we wanted to get. We wanted to get someone like Ken, and we were very glad to have him as Big Bird and Carpio.
Thank you guys.
Nung nalaman namin Ken, siya kasi yung ang wagas-wagas na ang sarap bastusin. So kaya yung kombinasyon ng pagkawagas
Yun ang hinahanap mo, Lilith.
Tapos,
O saka yung pwede
Tapos
siya,
willing siyang magpabastos.
yung pwede siya kayang dumihan, yun yung brand of comedy niya, that contrast.
Ang linis kasi ganun.
At saka ang kinis.
Oo. Balahura gaming, ganun.
Makinis ka daw, Ken.
You know it, baby. Joke lang.
Okay. Ito maganda tong next question ni Amiel for Ken. While I Am Not Big Bird seems to be promoted as a fun adventure comedy, it also seems intent in exploring hegemonic ideas of masculinity, causing issues on how men perceive themselves and their bodies today.
Now, defense.
May thesaurus ba yung hegemonic?
Amiel.
May thesaurus ba yung hegemonic?
Hegemonic? Ano sabi? Hegemonic?
Hegemonic.
Sakit po ba yan? Ano ba yun?
Hegemonic?
With the film touching upon sex, body image, and sex standards, how does the film reflect current standards of masculinity?
I guess, pag philosophical daw, anyway.
Go, Lilith. Sige,
Kasi the given concept of manhood and being endowed is always a norm. But this shows in this movie, ayoko lang i-preempt, even with kasi it's also about barkada. Pag nagsama-sama talaga mga lalaki, it's always about sex, yung laging masayang vibe. I mean, pero dito mo makikita na it's not about manhood or having a chick. It's really keeping your friends. Yun ang hindi pa na pag-uusapan eh.
Yeah.
Na ang dami-dami yung struggle with your girlfriends, with your trabaho. Pero minsan nakakalimutan yung friends. Pwede mawala ang lover pero ang friends pag pinabayaan nyo sayang. So this has a big heart.
Yes, and it's not about the size of your package. It's always the size of your heart talaga. That really matters, di ba?
Yeah. Siguro, tama diba, Amiel, thank you for that question. Yung question is about masculinity, di ba? Na parang sinasabi na baka nga yung pelikula mas pinipili lang or pinapakita lang yung gano'n. To add to what si Lilith is saying earlier, kasi yung manhood naman, besides yung sinasabi niya, it's not just that, it's, di ba, you admire a man when you know that he fights for something. And when you know that no matter what happens, paninindigan niya, ipaglalaban niya, pinaniniwalaan niya. And I think that's one of the things na makikita dito sa pelikula. Ano po siya ha, fun po siya, pero may mga mapupulot din naman po kahit paano. Pero I think, yun. It's one of those things na feeling ko yun yung pinakita nung tatlong lalaki. And four, si Pepe. Yan, sila. Yun yung mga pinakita nila na may, yung pagkalalaki, hindi siya sa size, hindi siya sa itsura, what you have. It's how you fight for something and how you will stand by it and hindi ka man lalaglag. Kaya siguro doon pumapasok yung friendship.
Tama.
Yun,
Tama.
Tama yan. It's quite hegemonic actually.
I agree.
Di ba yung hegemonic yung may sa demonyo?
Hindi ko alam eh. Hegemonic ba?
Ganun pala yung pelikula. Joke. Hindi,
ngayon mo lang na-realize.
Oo nga, ganun. I mean, when we were making it, parang hinugot ko siya sa mga experiences ko with my friends, ganun na there's this topic called, parang fragile masculinity. And in here, parang it's taken in a way na they're really fragile that guys talk about their feelings din. And it's so hard for guys to talk about feelings with their other guy friends. So may ganun siyang hegemonic statement, ganun di ba? So, yun.
Ako, dagdag ko lang din kasi yung setting na ito is hindi siya, parang di ba, hindi siya now. So di ba now, early 2000. So ngayon, medyo meron ng mga toxic masculinity, ganyan. So nung binagay namin siya doon sa era na although meron na, pero hindi pa siya talked about. So parang gusto rin namin pakita na hindi porket puro lalaki ng bida, lalaki yung writer, panlalaki yung comedy, hindi lang siya panlalaking pelikula. So talaga.
I would like to add when we started this, the theme was the reverse of women objectification, mararanasan ni Ken eh. There was a reverse na paano nangyari pag na-reverse now, you know.
Right.
Yan.
Kasi parang madalas napapanood natin na yung babae laging vulnerable, ganyan.
That's
and
right.
we rarely see men in cinemas or in films na showing their vulnerability. So with Big Bird, with this film, we have an all-male parang cast, but we show the other side of a masculinity na men could also be vulnerable. And in reality, sa totoong buhay, napapakita nila yun with their guy friends. And they're just also human.
Right.
Na hindi sila laging malakas, hindi sila laging tough. And they also have feelings, just like women, just like any other human being.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Grabe yan.
Palakpakan naman po tayo dyan.
Yes.
Ganda.
Riveting.
I thank you.
Thesis defended.
Shari, ikaw na. Okay. Marami pa tayong tanong dito from Charmy Joy Pagulong of the Philippine Star for Victor, Joma, and Lilith. Why is this a perfect movie to watch on Valentine's Day?
Ako kasi as a single guy for a long time. Wala na akong
How long?
kasama na sine. How long? How long forever? Hindi naman. Mga 13 years. 13 years na akong single. So, sanay na akong hindi nang ipag-Valentine's date. So, pero this time, mas mag-enjoy ako na manood ng scene sa Valentine's Day kasi syempre yun nga, this time for the guys naman, this time Comedy naman, this time hindi naman masyadong I don't wanna say na na puro chick flick ang pinapalabas pag Valentine's. So ito ay isang dick flick pero masaya.
Dick flick.
Galing.
Flick the dick.
Writer ka nga. Lilith.
I think tama yung sinabi ni Ken. Kung meron kayong ka-Valentine's date, hindi yung what big you have, you more can get to a woman's heart. Laging panalo yon. Tapos kung barkada naman kayo, magsama-sama kayong walang jowa. Kasi masarap ng comedy as group kaya sa sinehan. So, enjoy it. Tapos,
Sabay-sabay kayo mag-J.
correct. Tapos
Jumping jacks.
makikita nyo yung kung gusto niyo naman desire, andito rin sa pelikula kung nasa libido desire kayo nung day na yon.
Pwedeng pre-game na nila to.
Pre-game.
Pre-game,
Pre-game. Tama.
pre-game.
So may mga matutunan pa silang mga moves.
I-last full show na nila, no?
Secret stuff.
I-last full show na nila. Dinner,
Oo.
tapos last full show, todo na.
Oh, tapos mamaya sa gabi, thank you, Big Bird.
Oo.
Thank you sa tip.
Gagawin nila yung moves.
I-challenge nyo, mag-TikTok kayo, lagawin nyo yan, I-journey nyo yung date nyo. Kasama yung panonood ng I'm Not Big Bird. Direct Victor.
Well, yun. Tama sila na parang nakita mo yung kadate mo tumatawa. Motel tayo mamaya. Gaganon, di ba? So, parang,
Ganun na ganun no?
Uy, try natin yun mamaya.
Diba? So, yun. Pero on the other side, yung mga, kasi ako, I've been single din for a long time. Nafo-FOMO ako palagi sa Valentine's, ganun. And parang, single nga. Anyway, so, so parang, kung nagfo-FOMO, so you might as well go with your friends, ganun, para hindi ka ma-FOMO sa day na to. Kasi usually, sinusupa ko yung day na yan.
Yeah.
So,
Pero actually, Valentine's is also not a celebration for just your girlfriend, your loved ones. It's a celebration of love, eh. So, kahit love for your barkada, your friends.
Yes.
So,
Family.
you know,
Lovebirds.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yun, so, di ba?
Okay. For Ken, same from Charmy Joy, can you share an experience where you became the bigger person in your relationship?
Oh my gosh. Instances pag nag-aaway and naman na minsan kahit di mo kasalanan, di ba? But syempre, it's always, we have to be a gentleman. It's always the guy that, or minsan with my mom, even your parents, pag nag-aaway, kahit minsan you feel like you're right, you're in the right position, just let it be.
Are you the kind of person
be the
who
bigger man na lang?
steps back?
Yeah, at times when it's needed, especially when alam mo naman na yung minsan kaaway mo, parang it's not even worth it. Just be the bigger man, just,
Right.
stop. So
Right.
sometimes it works in some situations naman.
Fight or flight?
Depende yan. Pag lugi ako, flight. joke lang. Pag marami sila, joke lang. Pag importante, pag mahal mo, di ba? Fight talaga.
Right.
Fight. You gotta fight for your love. Joke lang.
From Adrian Pangilinan, from San Diego Filipino Cinema and the Phil-Am Film Collective, for Enrique, leading man or character actor?
Interesting. Well, both. Both. I have to choose one.
Yeah.
Ngayon, siguro character right now. In my state right now. And the things I want to do, siguro character. That'd be interesting. It's hard, man. Both eh. Both.
And how does it feel to be making your comeback as a solo actor in this film?
It feels great. I just can't believe na, sabi ko ever since before, gusto ko ng solid adventure movie and to be able to do it, it just feels good. It feels great. Even my mom, she didn't even know what I was thinking, what's your next project? Basta, it's I'm Not Big Bird. Huh? What? Basta, it's I'm Not Big Bird. So, yun. But, hopefully after she watches it, she'll be like, all right, I kind of get
get
you.
it.
You're like your dad. So, alam mo yun. But yeah, she's a good sense of humor din naman.
Pero
Yeah.
will you be open to doing a film with a leading lady again?
Of course.
In the future.
My doors are always open. Yeah. Hanapin lang yung susi. Pero, joke lang. No. Yeah, I'm always open naman. But so the moment, I'm really choosing the stuff that I've always wanted to do. Nagawa
And
ko
you've
naman
never
lahat yan.
done before.
Yeah. Kasi lahat, marami na po na rin ako nagawa. But yeah, I want to do things that excite me this time.
Right.
Something different that I have never done.
For Pepe this time, from Adrian. Pepe, are you still there? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Kanina nag-cellphone ka na eh.
Sorry.
Kala mo, nakabuton ka dito. Nakikita namin galaw mo.
Nakatingin mo lang yung sa mata ko nakagano, no?
Okay, Pepe, in a recent interview, you shared your experiences from being burnt out a few years ago. How are you now managing finding the balance with continuing to work while making time for rest?
I make sure my one whole day rest ako in a week. Yan, very important yon. Reset. Kailangan ko ng reset day.
Parang,
yan. So
kulang,
far, okay
parang
naman.
kulang daw yung isang araw eh, sabi ni Ken.
Oh, actually, pag kasing yaman ko na si Ken, mga 3 days in a week.
Bro, sinasabi ko, syempre, dalaw na yung anak mo. Syempre, you wanna spend time with them din naman, diba?
Tama naman yun.
Para
Tama
sa akin,
naman
parang
yun.
kulang yung isang araw lang with your kids, with your babies.
That's right.
Totoo. Siguro nagkataon lang ngayong mga susunod na buwan, nagkasunod-sunod. So, hopefully, after nitong, kasi gano'n naman kami sa showbiz. Sometimes may trabaho ka, sometimes wala.
Correct.
Maximizing now, and then by June, finally, siguro makakapag, 2 weeks to 1 month of rest when vacation with
Good.
family.
Pero okay yan, bro. Sila yung reason mo ngayon, yung mga babies mo. So, God bless,
Yes. Thank you, brother. Love you.
brother. Love you too.
Thank you, Pepe. This time, it's from Jay from Certified Kapamilya. For Ken, this project is one of a kind with an interesting premise. Anong naramdaman mo or what was your reaction when you first time you read the script?
Genius. Brilliant. Joke lang. It is something that kasi sabi ko nga, ang dami na nagpipitch sa amin ng mga projects. And sobrang dami na.
Marami kang script sa bahay?
NDA, so no. Wala na. But yeah, marami po nagpadala din. We read through it and parang, it's the same. Not it's same but different, you know what I'm saying? Ang hirap i-explain, but it wasn't really something that we were looking for, like something that excites us na something, oh my gosh, parang kakaiba talaga to. And something that it just, excites me. When I saw it pa lang, oh my gosh, sa imagination ko pa lang mangyayari, parang wow, sobrang enjoy to.
Napipicture mo na siya kaagad.
Super, yeah.
You said something very Thai. Same but different.
Yeah, same but
Diba?
different. Yeah.
Same, but different. Okay.